Hello everyone, Daniel here with the Pedal Peasants YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we are going to be taking a close-up look at this Blackburn U Lock right here that I picked up at Walmart. I will leave links for you in the description below should you choose to check this out on your end. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below as well, and I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. This is going to be a 10-inch Blackburn level 5 security U Lock. I'm personally going to be using this one for my new electric bike that I got, and I will actually show you how I go about applying it to my bike here in the video as well, so be sure to stick around for that. At initial glance here, this U Lock does feel great in my hand. It does have a bit of weight to it as well. Let me show you the back. Feel free to pause at any time so you can go ahead and thoroughly read this on your end. This is going to be a key lock. Me personally, I prefer key locks over combination locks. It's a personal preference thing, and I feel it's to each their own. But for me personally, I would much rather go with keys than a combination lock. Here is the U Lock up close. Allow me to show it to you all. At first impressions of the plastic area, there is metal under that, so it's not made of plastic. So that's just like a plastic layer over what's underneath. There is metal housing underneath that, as the plastic area also has some weight to it. I'm going to show you the locking system. We're going to take a close-up look at that as well here. And to unlock, you simply insert the key, turn to the right, and you pull it off like so. You can kind of see some metal trimmings from this angle right here. And again, this part of the U Lock also has some weight to it, as well as the U Lock itself, or the U bar. Place it in, turn the lock to the left, and now we are locked in place. So it is fundamentally easy to use. It's very straightforward. I say fundamentally because most of us are familiar with keys of such. This is the key up close here, and most of us use keys on the daily to open our house doors and stuff like that. So we simply turn it in, turn it to the right. Very straightforward, kind of like second nature stuff here. So that is the approach on how I go about locking and unlocking. It is a very straightforward, user-friendly device to use. At initial impressions, I do feel that this is a decent quality U Lock as of now. I will go ahead and update you all throughout the years of me using this here. Now, as you see, this is how I'm setting it up on my electric bike. I'm running it straight through the frame, through the tire, out the other side, and locking it in. Because it is 10 inches, I'm able to get it through the other side and lock it with ease as well. For those who are curious, the U Lock in this placement does not interfere with the chain. The chain isn't snug sitting up on the U Lock. It's actually just sitting and coexisting with the U Lock rather, and so are these spokes. As you can see, I simply pull it out with no issues. I'm not forcing it on or off of the bike. I line these spokes up and I place the U Lock right on through. As you can see, it does connect or make contact with the chain. However, again, it's not being forced through the chain or anything like that. I could just simply slide it in with one hand, put the ending on the other, and lock it in place, and I'm good to go. As of right now, all in all, I do feel like for the price point, this was an adequate investment for this specific bike right here, because this U Lock is only going to be serving the purpose of blocking this tire from spinning anytime I'm not next to the bike, as you can see right here in the video. So that is the sole purpose. For that alone, the sizing, everything matches up. It is easy to use. It kind of feels like it was supposed to be with this bike, like as if the manufacturer sent me this U Lock for this bike specific, even though they didn't. However, I do feel that way. As you see, it's running through the end right here, and I'm having no issues putting it on or off. It is the perfect length to go ahead and lock this wheel up right here. To conclude this video, I'm definitely going to be giving the Blackburn U Lock, as of now, initial impressions and first reviews, a thumbs up and a 5 stars because of the 5-level security and because it fits flushly on my bike right here. Now, if I didn't touch base on anything specific at all, if you have any questions about anything that you saw or heard throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment below, and I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to follow me on social medias as well, as I would truly appreciate your support. Thank you all for tuning in. You have a great day.